You guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you're already an existing subscriber, thank you so much and welcome. So in today's video, we're going to be doing a day in the life. I'm already late to go to school. We're just basically going to be going to school because I'm already late, so I want to start dressing up. So guys, I'm already going out now. It's currently 8:26 and I said I would leave the house by 8:30, so I'm already, I guess I'm still early, but anyway, so let's go. So guys, I'm already leaving the house right now and I'm going to meet my friend Joy, and it's the both of us I'll be going to school. But yeah, let's go. Hello baby, you have locked up. Good morning. How are you? You are still late. I just stayed in college. What is rush? I don't like
this woman. She will change her statement.
So I'm following Ose to get food because this one did not eat. And guys, look at Ose.
Drip. Hey. You try
I'm sitting down on Precious.
Get it for a bit.
And we're waiting, no class. I mean,
Go rich.
we just got to class, basically. I did not tired.
Glory to you. Father, we appreciate your loving kindness. Thank you, Jesus, for the gift of life. Thank you for the privilege given us.
Not knowing that I was going to meet another Mahala at the gate. Lift. And when you check the was a candidate, they put them different sometimes. But the one that talked is the right of several times. Several times. The right of several times. But the one that talks about the man is several times. No one as several times. No one, three man. Two varieties must be measured in man. Okay? We are all not students in this one, isn't it? Yes. But some first impression amongst us.
12 hours. So guys, we're already done with class and we are going home. Azalma.
As a woman, know your boss. You just go off anyhow. You know, say I was like, open your boss.
So we're done with class and we're going home. Only had one class today. Shifts. I want to pass post middle. Say hi to my YouTube channel. Hi. That's Hype Man Charles and my baby. So let's go. So we're going home now.
Can't even really see the screen. Okay,
Yeah.
yes. What?
Not stop for you.
What are you doing now?
I'm vlogging. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't try me. Payment. Sharp payment.
I like your bag. Very fine. I like it. Just that
I swear. So guys, we just got home. Oh god, today was so stressful, but the class was so interesting. Oh my god, our lecturer is so intelligent. But anyways, I just got home and I want to start editing the. So guys, I am on my way to Comfort's place because I want to go and install the frontal for her. So yeah, let's go. So guys, I'm on my way to Comfort's place right now because we don't have lights and I took all my supplies, so let's go. I see Comfort.
Hey guys.
See our small head. Are you ready for the frontal?
I'm ready to
HD
slay.
frontal.
I'm ready to slay, baby. Oh.
Hey guys. I'm going to be installing a frontal, HD frontal. HD frontal on my baby. You guys already seen her before. You've already seen her before. Like if you watch my week in live video, she was there. So let's go. Mind you, I've never installed a frontal before in my life. Never. But do you have any video?
This is our first time.
This is our first time. It's not even that it's doing it, we're both doing it. And if it's messy, pardon me, okay? Let's get right into the video.
Bye.
Goes down, the other person comes on. I never see me start. Let me pause at the Joro 5 passes. This one another style. Ladies and gentlemen, your time start now. DJ drop it, let's go. Let's go. Take it up. 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 Let's go. Gonna start this race. Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready? 1, 2, 3, let's go. What is your heart?
You guys have oil rice. Chicken. Alright. Some as well. Alright.
I'm ending the vlog here. If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.